Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Unoilam kaliang yate ke khasihus Autonomous District Council ba Titos Tawel Khan hakalai potri unaidur aracara pusan. Belpensyai ke jingkeren jong hapok yinar ba tawan. Pakadan ke jinga hapdeng ki MDC kaliang sinsyar bat kaliang yate. Haga jinga kram kelat patai kubor ba khan urong. Bah ke jinga ijong kadan ke jinga hakaba boni ki MDC Kynjah kampoi she District Council bat ke Ophis ke Kynjah bat om ju Kham dan ki Briew benwan syapok ke ni ke Ophis.
Kajing tu mut tengah keren mana habis dia begitu kajing kemudian dia tang kajing bomit lah ni kawai kalau bah di kini ke atmosfer kemudian kajing long kajing man ke Ophis jungi hakini ki kandiat benai kemudian bangat mu ban keno UCM ni ban keno ya nuin ho renga UI bah kadon te kata kajing ya jangan Dibapun ki MDC PGE yang ni bagi tu kamuan wan sa Ophis tu. Di hawat ing kada balik ki muan sa Ophis. Kaken ka Ophis ka Kynjah. Ju kamdan ki Briew ban wan sa Ophis tu. Pidayat nanti tu po koridor dan pai ba. Te ngai ba ka don te mat ka le ka ka ba isong pher ka ba mi tanat kan. Nakaliang ka jonga ngasok ba kadiban create kata cooperation ani kajing yang setuju jemut apa yang jungi para MDC yang ni bentai ba ngalak keren ba sutanat ba nakaliang CM ba tulai ka assurance ba nang ni syahmat ngindon ka jing yang setuju jemut ngindon ka jing prelam boy ngimla ban interfere ya ki polisi tu ikam loki nama kidi ba ban MDC dan rai lakum no pat kidon ki bentale si ki bakta pat ya kayap ke im jang kari ba kajai Briew ki isu ki balong sensitive ding sudai bahkan dan ke consultation.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.